Very good. Good morning, students. Today's our topic is introduction to parts of speech. So first of all, what is a speech? When we are going to study parts of speech, what is a speech? The speech is not anything else, but it is words when it is used in a sentence. So first we have to know about the word. So what is word? Word is a meaningful group of letters. It's called a word. For example, here EPA. This is also a group of letters, but since it does not have a perfect meaning, significant meaning, it will not count it as a word. But again, I rearrange those letters in order. PEN, and then it has a meaning. It is called pen and it means color. It means it will be called a word. OPOK. Again, these are a group of letters, but this is not a word. And again, if I rearrange these letters in form of BOOK, it means book, right? So it means it does have a meaning. It will count it as a word. Now coming to parts of speech, all the English words are divided into 8 groups. According to the word, they go in the sentence. Each part is called a part of speech. It means every word has a different function, different role in a sentence. And according to their function, according to their role, we divide the part of their speech. Each part is called parts of speech. Those 8 types are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Now, what is first one? Now we will have a brief intro, short intro to every part of speech. Noun. What is noun? Noun is name of everything that we see around us. That it has some name, and the name of that thing will be called a noun. For example, this is a board. This is a marker. I am recording it with mobile and camera. These all things are called noun. Now coming to second, pronoun. The word that replaces a noun is called a pronoun. For example, I. My name is Chandan Kumar, and again if I say my name is Chandan Kumar is 20 years old or 25 years old, Chandan Kumar teaches in Drona Coaching Center, it will sound monotonous. Done. So we avoid the repetition of noun and we replace those nouns with another word. That is called pronoun. For example, I will use the word I for myself instead of Chandan Kumar. And there are more another pronouns also, me, he, she, us, you, etc. There is one, since we have studied the definition of noun and pronoun, that a noun is name of anything, pronoun replaces the noun. But what is the function of these two things in a sentence? Since we studied, they are divided according to the work they do in the sentence. So their function is only a noun, comma pronoun, or a noun equivalent, something that values equal to noun, can function as a subject, as an object, or complement in a sentence. It means there is no any other part of speech that can be a subject, object, or complement in a sentence. Now coming to our third part of speech, adjective. What is adjective? Adjective, the word that tells us something about a pronoun or noun. Sorry, there should be us. The word that tells us something about a noun or a pronoun is called an adjective. For example, you are a good student. Here, student is a noun. And which kind of a student he is? So he is a good student. So the word good is qualified here, telling us about the quality of the student. It means the word good will be an adjective. Coming into second sentence, we are happy. Here there is no noun in the sentence, but there is pronoun in the sentence. That is we. Now, what is we? We are happy. So here, happy is telling us about we, that we are happy. So happy will be an adjective. Now coming to verb. So in our childhood, we all have studied what is verb. Verb is an action word, but this was just a childhood myth. Since we were not able to understand those things, so we used to study a verb denotes an action. It is true, but not complete. So as we have grown up, now we are studying in a certain speed. So we have to level up a little bit and understand that a word does not only show an instance, it does also show position. Position, what does position mean? Ownership. So a verb shows an action, possession, or a state of being. What does possession means? Ownership. And a state of being, it means अवस्था. किसी भी चीज की अवस्था. For example, if I have taken a first example, I play football. Here, what does it denote? I play football. It means मैं football खेलता हूँ. Here the word play denotes an action. So it will be called a verb. In the second sentence, he has a car. He has a car. There is a word he. There is a word a car. What is the difference between these two? What is the connection between the two? So when we add the word has here, it shows the possession of he on the car. So here he is showing possession. It means it will also called a verb. Now coming to the second sentence, we are happy. Right? So here the word we are happy. Here the word are tells us about the current state of being, right? That what is the state of being? We are being, we is being, and what is their state? They are happy, right? So these were the things that we studied today. What is word? What is a group of meaningful group of letters? What is parts of a speech? All the English words are divided into 8 groups according to the work they do in the sentence. Right? And each part is called, a single part is called a part of the speech, and all these 8 parts are called parts of speech. Now coming to what was noun? Name of everything is called noun. Everything that we see around us, everything that has a name is called a verb. Is called a noun. For example, this is board, this is also noun. I have written these things with marker. Marker is also a noun. There is a mobile in which I am recording these things. This is also a noun. In mobile, I am recording with camera. Camera is also a noun. Now coming to second, pronoun. What is pronoun? So when we use continuously a same noun, the same noun in a sentence, it becomes monotonous. It loses its essence. It becomes boring. So we replace those nouns with some other ones. And the word that replaces a noun is called a pronoun. It means the word that comes in place of a noun is called a pronoun. For example, I, me, he, she, us, you, and there can be meaning. Now this is the most important point. Since I have seen most of the students, they make mistake here. We have to study that what are the function of these 2 parts of speech in a sentence. It's nothing different. The noun and pronoun. So here I have written those things. Only a noun, comma pronoun, or a noun equivalent can function as a subject or an object or a complement in a sentence. Except these 2 things, noun or pronoun or a noun equivalent, no any other parts of speech can be a subject, object, or a complement in a sentence. Now coming to third parts of speech. What is adjective? Adjective is something, the word, adjective is a word that tells us something about a noun or pronoun. It means the word that does anything about a noun or pronoun. Its shape, size, color, number, anything about a noun or pronoun, that will be called an adjective. For example, you are a good student. Here, the student was a noun. And which kind of a student he is? He is a good student. So here the word good is telling us about that student. It means good is an adjective. Now coming to second sentence. We are happy. In this sentence there is no noun. So how will we find adjective? Now we will find pronoun. So here we have a pronoun we. And what are we? We are happy. So here the word happy is telling us about we. It means we is
Oh God.
Which side?
We have already done 10 minutes. 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Now coming to verb. A verb.
Speak in Hindi also. There is a message for you. Speak in Hindi.
So अब है बारी वर्ब की। वर्ब सबसे ज़्यादा मिसअंडरस्टूड टॉपिक, क्योंकि हम बचपन में पढ़ते हैं कि जो डूइंग वर्ड्स होते हैं, जो एक्शन वर्ड्स होते हैं, वो वर्ब्स कहलाते हैं। अब ये सही है बट नॉट कंप्लीटली सही नहीं है। जैसा हम हिंदी में पढ़ते हैं कि जो वर्ब, जो क्रिया में किसी काम के होने का बोध हो, किसी एक्शन का बोध हो, तो वर्ब कहलाता है। बट इंग्लिश में थोड़ा डिफरेंट है। सिर्फ एक्शन को, सिर्फ काम को ये नहीं दिखाता है, इसके अलावा इट शोज मेनी अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो। फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक्शन हम सबको पता है। सेकेंड आता है पोजीशन। व्हाट इज पोजीशन? पोजीशन मीन्स ओनरशिप, किसी चीज़ का किसी पे अधिकार नहीं। और तीसरा है हमारा स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग, मतलब किसी भी व्यक्ति, वस्तु या अवस्था के बारे में पता। एग्जाम्पल, आई प्ले फुटबॉल, इट मीन्स मैं फुटबॉल खेलता हूँ। इसमें एक एक्शन हो और वो एक्शन क्या है? खेल, प्ले। सो प्ले विल बी अ वर्ब एंड क्यों है ये वर्ब यहाँ पे? क्योंकि ये एक्शन दिख रहा है। इन द सेकंड सेंटेंस ही हैज अ कार। अब एक वर्ड है यहाँ पे ही और एक वर्ड है कार, दोनों के बीच में क्या कनेक्शन है? क्या वो वही इंसान कार है या वो इंसान कुछ, वो कार किसी से मांग के लाया? कि कुछ क्लियर नहीं हो पा रहा है। सो हियर हमने लिया एक वर्ड हैज, और ये हैज आके दोनों के बीच में रिलेशन एस्टैब्लिश कर रहा है। ये हमें बता रहा है कि जो ही है ये इस कार को ओन करता है। इट मीन्स ही का उस कार के पोजीशन है, अधिकार है। यहाँ पे ये जो हैज है ये भी वर्ब है। अब थर्ड सेंटेंस, थर्ड एग्जांपल, वी आर हैप्पी। अब एक वर्ड है वी और हैप्पी। अब हम लोग और खुश। अब हम लोग खुश है, हम लोग खुश थे, हम लोग खुश रहेंगे, हम लोग खुश नहीं हैं, क्या है? इन सारी चीज़ों को क्लियर करने के लिए यहाँ पे है आर। अब ये आर आके बता रहा है कि वी आर हैप्पी। इट मीन्स अभी हमारा जो करेंट स्टेट है वो है हमारा है। तो यहाँ पे आर भी वर्ब है और ये हमें यहाँ पे स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग है। I think that's it for today's class. In the next class, we will complete the entire chapter.
How to finish it? How to finish it? No, how to finish? Oh yeah, go there. Yes. Are you sure that you want to stop?